What's going on, Rejuvenation? Jonny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. Yo, before I get started, I want to say shout out to everyone who has been subscribed to us all this time and all our new subscribers. Thank you for helping us reach 400K. If you're not a part of the Rejuvenation, it's not too late. Hit that subscribe button below. Don't forget to turn your notifications on because we are giving away 12 pairs of Yeezys this year. That's one pair a month. That's crazy and you don't want to miss it. So hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Boom, right now. Leave me a comment below which Yeezys you guys would like to win. So for today, I'm gonna be cleaning these 9317s, EQTs that luckily, or unluckily I should say, it rained last night here in Arizona. So they got a little muddy, but no worries, Rejuvenation. You already know Rejuvenation is gonna take care of the dirt. So for today's purpose, I'm only gonna be cleaning the left shoe. I'll put the right one to the side and let's get started. All right, so the first step is to grab our adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. These are my shoes, so I already know I'm gonna take it up to the second hole. Up top, enter it like so, and remove the laces. All right guys, now that the laces are removed and the shoe tree is inserted, now I'm gonna grab our bottle of solution and pour 2 small squirts into our Rejuvenator bowl. No, I'm just kidding guys, this is just water. I'm gonna get the real bottle. That was a lot of water, Aaron. Just kidding guys, it was just water. Even though you do see a little bit of bubbles, that's just because there was a little bit left. But let me go ahead and clean this up and then I'll get the real bottle solution out. All right guys, I was just playing. We got our new bowl of water and let me get our actual bottle solution. Pour 2 small squirts into that water, like so. And then I'm gonna begin cleaning the uppers using our soft bristle brush. All right guys, one quick tip before I move on to the midsoles. We do get a lot of questions as far as what brush to use when cleaning any mesh, prime knit, fly knit. Remember, anytime you're cleaning any of those materials, you want to use our soft bristle brush so that way you don't fray the material, it doesn't get damaged. This is the way to go, and as you can see, this brush definitely creates a lot of bubbles. So definitely use this on any knitted materials. All right, you want to make sure you just pull back that tongue, get that inside too. Those of you who have that stinky feet, you know what I mean? In the back. All right, I think those are looking pretty good. Got some deep dirt on that midsole, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this soft brush to the side and move on to our new all-purpose brush. All right guys, I am done using this all-purpose brush. I do see a few deep stains in the boot, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to our stiff bristle. Dip that into our bowl solution and let the brush do its work. All right, guys, the midsoles are looking pretty good. One question we always get is how to remove yellowing from Boost. Unfortunately, our product is not gonna remove yellowing or like really beat worn down Boost because it's white, and once it turns yellow, it's just one of those things that it's kind of almost impossible to remove. I mean, you can paint over it or use that like Sharpie, what is it, like permanent marker thing that you can paint it white, which doesn't look too good. But unfortunately, if your Boost is like a dark brown or like a yellow, there's nothing we can do for you. But before we move on to the outsoles, let's take a quick break. Hey Rejuvenation, Frankie Leftfoot here, bringing you an amazing product by Rejuvenator. They're water and stain repellent. Just pop the bad boys like this. Tired of acne? Repel it. Smell like shit? Repel it. You got a failing GPA? No worries. Go ahead and repel it. We'll take care of that. Woo! Right now, visit rejuvenator.com. You can get 2 of these for $31.96. But wait, I'm gonna give you guys a promo code. Act now within the next 24 hours. Use promo code repellent, and I'm gonna slash 50% off for you guys, because you deserve it. Once again, Rejuvenator's water and stain repellent. Repel the haters, repel the nagging parents, repel everybody. Woo! I think I got it. Rejuvenator.com. Repellent. Good? Good. Woo! Woo! All right, guys, we are back. Not sure who that dude was in that infomercial, but he was super good looking. But make sure you guys go and cop that repellent. That promo code is only valid for 24 hours, so go do that now. But let's go ahead and finish off this cleaning using our stiff bristle brush on this outsole. I'll communicate with you. Things in there, dude. Yep, it's a giant thorn from when I was cleaning my backyard the other day. Just toss that way. Yo, it actually left a hole in my Boost. Can you get that? Yeah, Daniel decides to start printing and it's all loud over here. Like, thanks, Daniel. I understand you're in the cubicle 1 over there, just super huge, takes up half the room, but.
Cube 1.
So, let's put this to the side. And the next step is to grab our laces, dip them in our same bowl of solution and water mix. Just like so, and rub them between your hands. You don't want to see me freestyle. I spit fire. Not like Smalls over there, AKA Slim Jesus. All right, guys, I think the laces are good. Go ahead and toss them into the shoe like so. Grab our laundry bag. One question we always get as well is, do you leave the shoe tree inside the shoe? Yes, you do leave it inside the shoe. It'll help keep that toe box form, and you just want to keep it in there. So, just gonna put it in there like so. Secure the bag. Boom. Boom. Let's go put this in the wash. All right, guys, so the next step is to put these in the washer. We're gonna go ahead and open it up like so. Toss the shoe in there. Grab our Sneaker Laundry Detergent. Loosen the cap and squeeze. Boom. Just gonna go ahead and pour it right over the shoe. This does work on clothes as well. We have that question asked. You can use this for your clothes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and close that up. Turn it on, wash, small cycle, cold water. Always cold water, guys. Never anything else, because you can ruin your shoes like that. Hit that start button, boom. We'll be back in 42 minutes. All right, guys, we are back. Went ahead and let this shoe dry for a couple hours, and as you can see, they cleaned up super, super nice. The Boost is all white. Check that out right there. The sole's looking real crispy. I'm going to put them side by side so you can check those out. Boom. That was all done using our advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and our sneaker laundry detergent that is available at reshoevn8er.com right now. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already a part of the Reshoevenation. Turn on those notifications because we are giving away those 12 pairs of Yeezy this month, or this year I should say, not month, 1 pair a month, which you don't want to miss. So turn on those notifications. Leave me a comment below which Yeezys you want to win. And don't forget, 24 hours, use promo code repellent to get that 15% off on 2 repellents, US Continental only. But that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll see you in the next one.